안녕하세요, 여러분들. Hello and welcome to episode 21 of Korean with David. This is David, and today we're going to learn I'll do my best, like no, it can't be, and then where did you come from? Now, these are three very commonly used expressions in lots of Korean dramas, movies, and even you'll hear it a lot in a lot of the Korean programs. So the first one we'll hear is I'll do my best, which is 열심히 하겠습니다. Or even easier, just 열심히 할게요. So that stands for I will do my best. So when we go into it, it's 열심히 할게요. 열심히 할게요. 열심히 할게요. A little faster, that's 열심히 할게요. 열심히 할게요. 열심히 할게요. Now, the first one I said is 열심히 하겠습니다, which is more like really a formal way, which is still used a lot, but it's a lot harder to say. So that one is 열심히 하겠습니다. 열심히 하겠습니다. 열심히 하겠습니다. So a little faster, that's 열심히 하겠습니다. 열심히 하겠습니다. 열심히 하겠습니다. The second one is like no. We hear that a lot in a lot of the Korean dramas, which is 안 돼. So when we break it down, it's actually really simple. It's 안 돼. 안 돼. 안 돼. So a little faster, that's 안 돼. 안 돼. 안 돼. Now this actually can be used in a formal way too. We can add a yo at the end, so it's 안 돼요. Which in this case too, it also stands for like a no. We can have that separate meaning. So it's 안 돼요. 안 돼요. 안 돼요. 안 돼요. Now this also can mean like you can't do it or you shouldn't do it. It's not just no, but it's a much stronger no. The next thing we're going to learn is where did you come from? Now this isn't like where you were born or where did you live, not where's your hometown. It doesn't mean that. It's like suddenly somebody shows up out of the unexpected. So we'd say like 어디서 왔어? And of course we'd want to add the yo at the end. So that's 어디서 왔어요. 어디서 왔어요. 어디서 왔어요. A little faster, that's 어디서 왔어요. 어디서 왔어요. 어디서 왔어요. Now we can also change this to like where were you? Which we keep the same beginning, which is 어디, which means where. But we have to ask like where were you? 어디 있었어요? 어디 있었어요? 어디 있었어요? So a little faster, that's 어디 있었어요? 어디 있었어요? 어디 있었어요? With all of these together and with all the other lessons, it can be kind of cumbersome, but the best thing to do is always practice. So today we ended up learning like 안 돼, 열심히 할게요, and 어디서 왔어, and also 어디 있었어요. Make sure you practice these as much as you can. And if you have any other questions, feel free to send me an email at learnkoreanwithdavid@gmail.com, and I'll make sure to get to you an answer as fast as I can. Now, for the rest of you out there, Just know I am working on some worksheets that go along with these lessons so you can have extra practice as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this today. If you did, feel free to rate this podcast, follow, share, subscribe, everything. You guys know what to do. And I'll see you guys next time. 다음에 봐요.